Welcome back to our channel, where we provide professional technical support tutorials. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of uninstalling programs on your PC. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Windows settings on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and selecting the gear-shaped icon for Settings. Once the Windows settings is open, click on the Apps option. On the left side of the Apps window, you'll see a list of options. Click on Apps and Features. In the Apps and Features window, you should see a search bar near the top. Type in the name of the program you want to uninstall. If it appears in the list below the search bar, click on it and then click on the Uninstall button. If the program you want to uninstall doesn't appear on the list below the search bar, don't worry, we still have a solution. Go back to the desktop and right-click on the program you want to uninstall. Scroll down to Properties, then click Open File Location. Scroll down until you find Uninstall.exe or unins000x and click on it. Then proceed with the instruction to complete the uninstallation. And there you have it. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.